Right, I want to show you how this SEO strategy drove 1 million plus organic traffic directly from a link building. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. It's going to be a quick fire one. If you're a fan of the channel, or I guess a fan, you've watched this type of videos. It's videos where I don't go into the nitty gritty of SEO, nor the technical aspect of things. I just go over a broad overview of these small case studies. Then I'll show you how you can try to replicate the same by hiring the person that did this. So yeah, super rapid fire. So let's just go over the client, what was done, how it was done, and the actual business impact, because that's of course what matters at the end of the day. So the client was IAMS, right? This app right here. And they were started off as an art project in 2011 in Berlin, right? So an international client with the mission to empower the next generation of photographers. IAM is a home to a vibrant community of 20 million creators, right? So a community platform for photographers, right? Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Now, what was done to the business that drove this business impact? So first of all, some technical SEO problems, right? What was done was a full audit and implementation of what was needed. There was a lot of duplicate content on the site. And for SEO, duplicate content is a big no-no, right? You don't want to confuse Google. You want to have things properly done, right? This is a business, it needs to be properly well done. So duplicate content is a big no-no, sorry. Also, other technical SEO problems. This is a big one in most sites, most businesses out there. If you look at their sites, they're going to have technical SEO problems, right? Whether that's speed, wrong tags, wrong canonicals, URL structures, redirects. There's a bunch of these boring, I guess, SEO talk that most sites face. Even my site, even Vetted, has some of these issues. And why don't we fix them? Because we have other things to worry about, right? It's not that we don't know they're there, we know they're there, but I mean, it is what it is. These are problems that affect the whole wide world and all the sites and all the businesses in the world. But it's something that if you fix, you can see a lot of results. So fixing technical SEO problems is a big one. But then, of course, right after that is creating a content strategy. IAM had an active blog, but they were not writing to be found. And this is a big one, right? Because I've talked about this before. You can have a blog, right? And you can write whatever you want, but that won't bring results, right? You have to do proper keyword research before to know what your potential customers will be searching for, so you can create content around those topics that will bring in those customers and then convert them, right? Which is another thing in and of itself, right? Having content that's properly optimized for conversions, right? Because you want to have a blog, and if the blog gets a lot of traffic, the goal is to convert people to buy your product or your service, right? So it's not just about the traffic that comes into the blog, it's about the traffic that converts. That's a very big one. That's why, for example, you might want to target buyer intent keywords, right? Keywords from people wanting to buy services. And I think I gave this example in the past. For example, if you are an iPhone repair shop, you'd want to rank for, you would not want to rank for how to repair my iPhone. I mean, you could, but not ideally, because someone searching for how do I repair my iPhone is someone that most likely wants to do it themselves, right? So ideally, you'd want to rank for iPhone repair cost, iPhone repair price, where to repair my iPhone, right? How long does it take to repair an iPhone, right? These keywords and these search terms are from people that have a buying intent. People searching for this want to buy your service or product. So it's quite important to develop a content strategy, and this in and of itself is a very big task, right? So big one here, very important. And finally, and scalable link building. So PR for a brand like IAM was easy, link building was not. PR was easy, I guess, because this is somewhat of a unique brand, right? This project coming from Berlin, targeting new generations, photographers, all that. It's quite easy, right? But when you think about link building, how are you going to build a link building strategy around something like this? It's possible, but it can be difficult. But then, of course, let's take a look at the business impact right here. So total page and sales funnel design and structure overall. And sorry, this is not the business impact. This is actually what they did and the results, right? And I'll go over who did all this in a second. But yeah, what they did was a total page and sales funnel design and structure overall. And this is a big one, because, and I said this before, you can have a site ranking #1 on Google, right? Getting all the traffic. But if it's not converting, it's quite pointless to be ranking #1, right? You want to have the site properly optimized for conversions. I'll give you an example super quick here. Most of the local businesses site I evaluate, don't have clear call to action. Say you type in plumber Lisbon. That's my hometown in Portugal, capital of Portugal. If you click the first link, you want to have a site that has a clear call to action appear, like a call us, one here, maybe even a form here. You want to make sure people see and can actually call you right off the bat without having to scroll down, right? So this is just a small example of conversion optimization, right? Having a proper design that conveys trust and converts clients. This is so important. That's why oftentimes instead of talking about SEO, I talk about SUO, so search user optimization. But yeah, I guess that's a video for another time. Something else we did was integrated digital marketing sales channel, so proper setup of a multi-channel attribution system. This is a bit technical. I'm not sure if I should cover this here. But yeah, it's building a system, right? If you have a business, you have to put systems in place because systems drive growth. And 100 plus backlinks generated, which of course drove 1 million organic traffic directly from link building. So pretty insane that backlinks can do this. I mean, I've talked about backlinks on the channel before. They're really powerful if done correctly, right? And it's not too much about the quantity, it's about the quality of the links. And yeah, as you can see here, let's see, complete site overall for an all-time high revenue, and this is the co-founder of IM, Lorenz, and he says the team has turned around what we thought was a lost cause. We're absolutely delighted at our unprecedented growth, and with our continued success with them. So this is the co-founder saying, essentially praising the guys that did SEO on the site and praising SEO itself. And so yeah, that's about it. Now I'm going to show you who did this, and I think he's here on the homepage. Yeah, his name is Jacky, and by the way, the links that he built right here, or some of them, right, because this is an holistic strategy, involves a lot of stuff, outrage, not outrage. You can buy them here, right? I'll leave a link for his profile, in the description of the video. But yeah, Jacky sells his services here on Vetted, and you can grab some of these links here too. You can message him as well. But if you want to hire Jacky to build out a full tailored SEO strategy that is a content strategy, technical optimizations, link building, all that, which is a more tailored custom plan, you can just click here on Manage SEO and just click Hire SEO Talent. You'll book a call with me. We'll talk directly. We'll evaluate if your business is a fit or not, and if so, we can match you with Jacky. And he can build you a strategy that essentially could achieve similar results like this one, like a 1 million plus organic traffic directly driven from link building. So yeah, that's the video. Again, I'll leave Jacky's link in the description. I'll also leave this in the description if you want to give it a go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers. Hey, this is Vasco from the future. Sorry to interrupt the ending of the video, but I guess I gotta promote these two little tools that we've been developing. I'm sure if you follow the channel along, you've heard of me talking about them. But yeah, the first one is a data SEO tool, which for free, we give you a free trial. Now it's the new thing. We'll give you only the essential SEO data you need, like organic keyword rankings, backlinks, top pages. You can even put your competitor's URL here and steal their backlinks. We connect with Google Search Console. We do a bunch of things, but the sole goal with this tool, rank changes, referring domains, traffic, a bunch of stuff, right? But the sole goal with this is to create a tool that you would want to use 100% of. Because yes, there's Ahrefs, yes, there's all these very expensive tools, but the issue is that you only end up using really 10% of the tool. So we wanted to build something where you'd use 100% of it. And this is what we built with this little tool called Campaigns. Again, you can try it for free. I'll leave a link in the description for this as well. So yeah, that's this one. And the second one is called Journalist. And you have two products here. The first one is article generation. You can try this for free as well. Just go to the site and it will give you some samples for free. So no worries, no commitment. You can do SEO optimized articles or news-based articles, which is pretty cool based on the training of today, the week, or the month. So yeah, try this out if you want for free. And then we have this one, which is a fully automated blog, right? So you click a button and it generates not only the blog with the hosting, domain, all that. You can even put a custom domain if you want, but also it generates the content on autopilot, right? Generates it automatically, SEO optimized every day, every week, every month, whatever you want. You can choose the frequency, but it is essentially a one-click blog. Click a button, blog is live, and it starts feeding it content, right? So yeah, that's about it for these two promotions. I'll leave a link for both of these in the description. Thank you again so much for watching, and that's the end of the video. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.